Alright guys, that's my husband right there waiting to take me to work. And all of this mess. Y'all see it? Ha! Our snow day in Philly. Oh, ooh. Alright. Alright guys, I guess you saying, what is you doing out there in all that weather? On my way to work, loves. I'm on my way to work. Didn't even have to work today. Ooh. Didn't even have to work today. Called them and told them that I would work. Yeah. Oh, no. Okay. Did y'all see the camera shake? Yeah, we sliding. We're sliding. No, I don't think I'm doing this.
You don't know what?
I'm not, bae. You know I be scared.
Oh, all right. I got you.
So why didn't you...
Well, I got this. I got to go to the streets that move a lot. Take it easy.
All right, love. So I'm on my way to work, and all of this mess. Shouldn't even told them that I would work, but I done obligated myself now, so I have to go in. I don't like it. I never did like driving in the snow. Well, no, I'm not driving, but I don't like riding in the snow neither. But we're out here, love, so.
It's the big streets that's over there. It's the little streets.
But even these streets, babe, you can't see the black ice. Well, yes.
They put salt down on these.
It doesn't. Okay, loves, pray for me, please. I'm on my way to work. I can't argue with the hubby this morning. All right. Alright guys, so we made it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We made it. The hubby got me here safely. It was a little rocky. I was scared. But we're here. So I'm going in to get my day started and to make these donuts, y'all. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh. Hey loves, so I made it to work, and child, getting here. Once I got here, getting here was a little scary, but you know, we made it. Hubby got me here. But then once I got here, I found out that's the loudspeaker if you hear something. They make announcements over the loudspeaker. So once I got here, I found out that we had COVID patients. So half of the unit is removed. Half of the people from the unit is removed to another section in the COVID section. So it's like, oh my God, I fight through the snow to get here, and now to find out that half of the unit have COVID and they removed them people off the unit. So this, I just feel like this stuff ain't gonna stop. I feel like it's not gonna stop. And I mean, I don't want to reveal the place I work at, but it could get scary. I mean, we so short of staff, y'all. Let me see if I take some of this sun out. We so short of staff, guys. They have the National Guards in here. The National Guards. And I know some of you probably looking at me like, well, where's your N95? I had to go get my N95. I actually had to get resized for my N95 again, so they can give me one. But it's nobody on the floor is supposed to have COVID, but we know how that go. And I'm upset because they still letting family members come in. They still letting people go out. They still letting all the activities take place. The dining room is still open. Like, No, I feel like once the National Guards is here, everything should be shut down. Everything should be shut down. Should be no movement. People shouldn't be going in and out the building. Visitors shouldn't be coming in the building. Like, the National Guards is here. And the National Guards here is because we short of help. So meaning we short of help because at least 70% of the employees have came down with COVID. So anytime they hear, that means this, you need to see some of this traffic. They need to stop some of this traffic from going in, coming out. I don't know. I don't know how much longer I'm going to do this. I had said before that I didn't want to do this no more. I love what I do. But I don't even want to say at the risk of my health, because I can go to the supermarket and get COVID. I don't have to necessarily get COVID from here. You know, you can go to the supermarket and get COVID. You can go to the gas pump your gas and get COVID. So I just feel like I don't know. I'd be lying if I said this thing didn't have me bothered when I walk in here and half our unit is gone. Now we have 49 patients on the floor. We are down to, it's over half, because I think we may have20 or 21 people on the floor. 20 or 21 residents on the floor. So we a little under half. We're a little under half, and I don't know. It's scary. It's scary every day. It's scary every day. So I do have to go get refitted for my N95 mask. But even with the N95 mask, guys, I don't think I could do it, because that mask restricts you and it's so tight and so cuff your face. Like, I can't breathe. I can't breathe in that mask. So it's like, And then I have an asthmatic child at home. So last thing I want to do is get sick and take it back to her. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I talked to my husband about it, and his answer is, whatever you want to do, babe, I'm behind you 100%. That is always his answer to whatever I want to do. So I don't know. Like, I don't want to quit, and then he's the only one working, and now we living off savings and his paycheck, and you know how that go. If you're not putting nothing in savings and you're only taking out, eventually your savings will deplete. So it's like, I don't know. And then I can't find another job that's going to pay me what I'm making. So, like, I want a lot of things. I don't want to cut my pay. I don't know. I don't know, guys. But anyway, let me get back in here, because I was on my break. And take care of these residents. And y'all just pray for me. Keep me in your prayers that, you know, I don't contract COVID or I don't get sick. Just keep me in your prayers, okay? I'll see you guys. I'll be back. I'm going to turn this camera on, okay? I'll be back, loves. Alright, guys. So, your girl, I'm putting her 8 and she's skate. It's over. It's quitting time. I'm on my way home with the hubby. He came and picked me up. And then we dropped my son off. And now I'm getting something to eat, because your girl is hungry. I'm hungry. So listen, guys. Y'all remember in the first clip of this video where I showed y'all it was snowing and the streets was covered and it was like all this snow? Let me show y'all what it looked like now. Alright, can you guys see? Look. Ain't no snow out there. I mean, there's snow over there on the sidewalks. There's not even no snow on this sidewalk. Right? No snow. There's snow over there. Like, over there at them houses. But the street right here, there's no snow. Okay, so, yeah, so the snow done melted. And I'm on my way home, getting me something to eat so I can take it in the house for the day. Get me a shower, lay down, do it all again tomorrow. Alright, loves, thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, hit the share button, go down below, comment. Holla at your girl. Let's have a little conversation. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.